in vain. Except the Lord keep the city, the watchman waketh but in vain. It is vain for you to rise up early, it is vain for you to sit up late, it is vain for you to eat the bread of sorrows. For so he giveth his beloved sleep. He giveth his beloved